Guys, I am Pratangsu and you are watching pratangsu.rakshit. Today's episode I am going to show you how you can make a 2D platformer using Ursina engine. For getting started, type from Ursina.prefab platformer controller 2D import platformer controller 2D. Now type ground equals to entity give a model equals to quadrilateral and then scale equals to it's a vector 2 30 comma 5 or 20 comma 5 and then y equals to minus 3. Here you have it. This is our ground. Just add a collider. Collider equals to box and now there. There equals to platformer controller 2D with a jump height of 4 comma y equals to 0. Now we have a 2D platformer. Then move around. But if you take a look, you can go off the scene. And our camera is still not following it. In that you can say camera dot add script. The script is SmoothFollow. Duty target equals to there, comma offset equals to 0, 1 and minus. Yeah, it's working right now. So guys, here we have it. Now what is throwing error? Okay, so let me tell you what we have done. So over here we have made a ground, this ground which our plate is standing, and this line we have made a layer, and in there I've added SmoothFollow script to it. SmoothFollow requires a target, a offset, and a speed. I haven't defined the speed because that is throwing some errors. So that is it for this video. I'll meet you later. Bye guys.